So yeah, again, there's no clutch. Like, y'all hear me driving. Bluetooth clutch pedal. Yo, this is crazy. I'm gonna do a compression test. I want to make sure this motor is healthy. Just pulled the plugs. They don't look that bad. So that's the first cylinder. Well, fourth or first cylinder. So almost 240. So this is good. All right. So number 2 looking good. Okay, number 3, 210, all good. Let's go to number 4. So I'll record the last one. So throttle, open up that thing 100%, press it all the way down. Keys on, step on the clutch, and turn it over 4 times. I think that was 5, but whatever. Don't matter. Now let's go see the numbers. And last one. 230, 235, whatever it is, 225, whatever you want to call it. It's good. So compression's good on this motor, so that's a good thing. So these old plugs do not look that bad, and these are the laser iridium ones. These are actually a step up from the ones that I bought, the platinum ones. So I'm still gonna put the new ones in, but I'm gonna keep these as some backups because they look pretty good. They're fine. You can hear it.
Hold on. Tune that no.
Oh yeah, this is the one right here.
Wheel bearing.
So I'm gonna change that out. Cause this side is quiet. Yep. Alright, we ain't got no wheel lock, so just tap that on a little bit.
Fingers crossed.
Took it off. That's good. No wheel lock. And this will still come out.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Damn, so I'm going in here to unplug the ABS sensor. My cousin said, look under here for the locks. And I swear, it must have blended in the last time I looked because I did not see it, but here they are, wheel lock. It's a good thing we didn't completely destroy that one. All right, wheel bearings changed. Now I'm doing the rear diff fluid. Looks pretty nasty. So this is what's going in there. I don't know if you can hear it. I think it's done.
3 days later.
Oh, he got it out. He got it.
Alright, got the s2000 out in the snow. Got the transmission dropped off. So this is going in there. Got the master tech under here finishing things up. Nice and tight. Transmission fluid getting changed. I'm not gonna push this far in pause too much because it got stuck.
Hey, yo, pause. What are you talking about now?
It's like it won't suck up the last little bit.
Pump it up. Pump it up.
Hey, Ty.
Huh?
My wrong underwear.
Mine? No, here. Damn, my greasy ass hand. Okay, so we got new motor mounts under there. New transmission mounts. Transmission fluid changed, and the transmission was changed. Can't really see or tell that it was changed, but it was changed. And we got new rear diff mounts. And that's it for under here. All right. Put it back on the ground. Let's see what we got going on under here.
You ready?
Oh yeah. Valve adjustment. Well, the mounts feel great. The mounts feel real good.
decent. You know what I mean? We're in the cold top down. You know what I'm saying? Riding in the winter with the heat. Yeah, shit like that. You know what I mean? It's brick, but we busting V's over here.
Oh my gosh, they're turning left too.
Of course, man.
All right, so Houston, we have a problem. I stepped on a clutch pedal and it's not disengaging the clutch. Something came off. I can't. If I stop, once I stop, that's it. Like, I gotta find a big ass parking lot. Yo, look. Stepped on the clutch. It's down there. We're still driving. Oh shit.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit. How am I gonna do this? I can't stop.
Slow down as we
yeah, hold this.
Slow down as much as you can. And we finna figure
And
this
I'm
out.
gonna be doing circles in here until
Until the top of, oh my gosh. Drive the line. Go. Go, you good. Go.
Yo,
Let it go.
I can't.
To and from back, third
I
gear.
gotta stay in third. Actually, I can get it out of gear and all that shit, but it's like,
Show the world, nigga.
Yeah,
Yeah,
look,
show them, you heard?
alright, I gotta float the gears like I'm in my truck.
Nice driver, you heard? Oh, yes, sir. You heard?
Yeah,
You
hold
can't
up.
teach.
Yeah, nah, this is crazy. So let me show you again. There's no clutch. Like, y'all hear me driving. Bluetooth clutch pedal. Yo, this is crazy. Pulling in the driveway in third gear.
How you trying to cross?
I can slide in it.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm not gonna be able to get it in the driveway. I mean, in the garage because.
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah. So that popped out. How? I don't know how, but it popped out.
the goodness. Gotta start the ball.
That's a slave cylinder, right?
Yep.
Old mounts in the rear diff mounts, they're not that bad. But let me show you the front ones. This is how the front engine mounts were. Separated. Transmission mounts, they weren't separated, but we ripped them. And let me give my boy a little something for the help, you know. Gas you, my boy. Yeah.
All this, yo?
Good look.
All
good
this?
look for
Wow.
the help.
I never made this much before in my life. Wow.
Appreciate
I'm gonna
that
frame
help.
this. Yo, good looks, yo. I'm gonna frame this, yo.
Good look.
Frame this. Who this guy? What's his name?
I don't know, some slave owner.
Steven? Nah.
Hamilton, man.
That's Benj.
That's Benj?
I think that's Benjamin.
Oh, Hamilton.
Oh,
now we
Hamilton.
got it.
Oh.
Hamilton, yeah, Hamilton.
Okay.
Beside strut assembly, passenger sway bar inlet. Come on. I'll go ahead and send me links before.
Oh,
Niggas, how they go to the gym?
Hey, yo.
Thank you.
Don't touch your pants.
That's good.
Oh, big driver.
Just watch the wall, yeah? Watch the wall.
The rocks.
Yeah.
Alright. Gonna go get this rebuilt. Well, my boy's gonna get it rebuilt. It's going to him. Alright, it got dark, but yeah, so we fixed that. Bled it. It's all good. So I'm gonna bring this home now and start focusing on that supercharger kit.